Hiya! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automatically send a follow-up email after no response in just a few clicks. This is the absolute easiest way to boost your reply rates without having to set reminders or manually check your inbox to see who ignored you. So step 1, open Gmail and click Compose and write your initial email just like you normally would. Step 2. Instead of hitting the regular blue send button, click the small arrow right next to it, which is added by the Mailmeteor extension, and select Send with a follow-up. Step 3. Compose your second email. You can select one of our pre-written templates or write a new follow-up email. Just click on Write a new follow-up. Step 4. Set your conditions. Our Gmail extension gives you 3 options. So if you click here, you have if replied, so you send a follow-up if the recipient replied. If no reply, send a follow-up if the recipient didn't reply. And you have no matter what, so send a follow-up whether the recipient replied or not. And you can also specify the delay before sending your follow-up. So you've got after 3 days, hours, minutes. Of course, you can change the amount here. Once you've double checked, you can just click on Send with a follow-up. And that's it. Mailmeteor will instantly send your first email, track if you get a reply, and automatically fire off your follow-up if they don't respond. If you want to read through these steps, check out the full article linked in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gmail tips and happy emailing.